Yes. Good evening, candidates. Good evening. Yeah. Um, Today I was admit Sri Krishna has come. Sri Krishna, welcome. Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, welcome. Radhika Nadigar, admit. Soila, admit. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Uh, Hello, Sri Krishna. How are you? Are you able to hear me? Please switch on your um, microphone. I mean, you can mic, you can keep it. Hello, Krishna. Hello, Krishna. How are you? Krishna, your sound is not coming. You have to, Radhika Nadikar had raised hand. Hello. Hello. You have to switch on the mic. Please switch on the mic. Sai Ram has come. Sri Krishna has come. Radhika Nadigar, hello. Radhika, hello. Please switch on mic.
Hello, sir. Good evening. This is Sri
Good,
Krishna.
good evening. Who is speaking? Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna, where are you? Hello, you are Sri Krishna. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Hope my voice is audible, right?
Yeah. Now your voice is now heard. Previously, I was not able to hear. Now I am able to hear. Radhika. Yeah. Yeah, please speak. Please speak.
And my video is also visible to you, right?
Yeah, you are visible. You are visible. You are having the T-shirt like
Yes, sir.
dark blue T-shirt.
Yes, sir.
Good. Red
Yes,
B.
sir. Yes, sir.
Dark blue red shirt. Very good. Excellent. Good. Sri Krishna, what is your qualification?
Sir, I have completed my degree in Bachelor of Commerce.
Okay, you have completed Bachelor
and
of.
Also I have completed my and also I completed my post graduation in Master of Business Administration in HR.
Acha, you have studied MBA. Very
Yeah,
good.
MBA HR, sir.
MBA HR. Good. Radhika is there now. Radhika, where are you? Your presence is not seen. Participants. Radhika, you are there?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello, Radhika Nadikar. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Fine, fine, fine. Acha, Radhika Nadikar, can you please tell me about yourself? What is your qualification? Which college did you study? And what is the percentage of marks? And which year did you complete? Like that, you can start from your degree. Then tell about +2 also. +2 and 10.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm Radhika Nadige. I come from Hubli, that is from Karnataka. I have completed my post-graduation MTech degree from NI Institute of Technology, Mysore. And I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from KRIT Hubli. Yes, sir.
Now, if you have scored good percentage of marks in your degree and also post-graduation, you can make a mention about it.
Yes, sir. I have completed with distinction, sir.
Very
I've completed my Master of Technology from NI Institute of Technology from Mysore with first class with distinction.
Okay, but which year did you complete your post-graduation?
Sir, I've completed my post-graduation in the year 2018. So after that, I have worked for 1 year for CDAC Thiruvananthapuram, posted at Hubli site for BRTS project, sir.
Okay. You are working
Until
in some project. Yeah.
yes, sir.
You are working in some project. And since when you started preparing for bank exams?
So since after leaving my job last year, that is 2019, actually the reason for leaving my job was my wedding was scheduled in November 2019, and I was moving to Bangalore after that. So I decided to look in for banking last year.
Hmm.
I started preparing from January or so, 2020.
Yeah.
So in the meanwhile, Karnataka Banking had posted a notification on probationary officers in the month of Jan. So I thought of attending that. So let me give a try. And fortunately, I got cleared in that examination, and I'm waiting for the interview, sir.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a retired account officer from BSNL. He got retired recently in the month of January under the VRS scheme.
Yeah. What is the present scenario of the field where BSNL is engaged?
So BSNL, actually they are in the law since 5 to 6 years.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the market, or maybe the competitors are more competent than BSNL. Because we cannot particularly say what went wrong, but the competitors were more competitive when compared to BSNL.
Yeah.
So that's the issue. They are facing a huge loss.
So you say that BSNL, they are into landline as well as into cell phone industry. They have huge competition from Jio, Reliance Jio, and also Airtel and other companies. So they are into
Yes.
loss, and it has been merged with MTNL.
Yes, sir.
Radhika,
Yes, sir.
yeah, it has been merged with MTNL.
Okay.
Yeah, now
I'm listening.
Ashrita has come here. Ashrita,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Can you please tell about yourself? In fact, I asked Radhika to tell about herself, and you tell about yourself. After yourself, Sri Krishna will tell about him. Of course, he also told a few points. Now, Ashrita, please tell about yourself as if you are meeting an interview board.
Okay, sir. My name is Ashrita. I have come from Hubli. I have completed my graduation in Jagatguru Gangadhar College of Commerce, and I've done my masters in commerce in JSS College, Dharwad. Uh, my father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. I have two siblings. My hobbies are playing badminton, doing crafts, watching TV, etc. My strengths are positive attitude, um, I have good communication skills, and determined to the work.
Yeah. Now, I think in your introduction, you could have told about the year in which you completed graduation and post-graduation also. Which year did you
Okay.
complete graduation, post-graduation?
Graduation I completed in 2016 and post graduation in 2018.
Yeah. What are the subjects you studied in post-graduation?
In post graduation, my main subject, that is the specialization, was taxation, sir. And the other subjects were corporate accounting, TQM, multinational business finance, economics, etc. So these I remember for now.
Good, good, good. Yeah. What brought you, what made you apply for Karnataka Bank Limited?
So after my graduation itself, I started preparing for banking exams, and I have after 1 or 2 years of my preparation, I have started applying for the bank exams as well. Once I got the notification, I had applied for the Karnataka Bank clerk as well, and I have qualified for the interview as well. But unfortunately, I didn't clear my interview. And very next, after 4 to 5 months, they released this PO application, and I came across that application, and I filled it, and I have cleared my written exams and are waiting for my interviews.
Very good, excellent. Now, Ashrita, I would like you to wait. so that if the other participants are able to tell, let them talk. Then we will go into other sub questions. Okay.
Okay.
Please wait.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who is willing to introduce himself? Sri Krishna told. Sri Krishna, would you like to add some? Acha, one point I want to tell Shrita. While introducing, you were using the word etc. quite 2 or 3 times.
Okay, sir. I'll
So
avoid
unless
that.
it is required, you don't have to use etc. You try to spell out what is there in your mind.
Okay, sir.
So that's a point. Suggestion I would like to tell you. Now we have Sairam, Niharika Pradhan, and also Gauri Kulkarni. Who would like to tell
Yes,
about
yes, sir.
himself or herself? Please
Yes,
volunteer yourself and talk. Niharika, can you tell about yourself?
yes, sir. This is me, Shri
Yeah.
Krishna.
Please speak loudly.
Hello.
Hello, Niharika, please speak loudly.
Sir, this is me, Shri Krishna.
Niharika, your voice is not heard. Niharika Pradhan. Pradhan, your voice is not heard. Please adjust your mic.
Hello.
Is the mic switched on?
Sir, that is Sri Krishna speaking, sir.
Acha, Sri Krishna is speaking.
Sri Krishna
Yes,
speaking.
sir.
Oh,
Sir, is it audible now?
Somebody is speaking in a very feeble voice. Is it Sri Krishna or Pradhan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is me, Shri Krishna.
Sri Krishna. Acha. Sri Krishna, now can you please tell something more in detail about you? Imagining again, let it be second time you tell about yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Shri Krishna. I am
Yeah.
coming from Tricur, Kerala. I have completed my BCom in 2014 and MBA in 2017.
Yeah.
Then after that, I have been prepared for 2 years since banking exams. My hobbies include I sing well. My father is a senior manager working in a private company. And my mother is a teacher. She is working as a government music teacher. And my hobbies include I sing well. I play percussion instrument mridangam, and I have gone for many concerts for Carnatic concert for performing the concerts. And my strength include I am a positive minded. I am a good team worker. And I always take any difficult situation in a very positive manner.
Good. Yeah, Anusha, please wait. In fact, for me, it is the first time or second time I'm doing on this Zoom. So you have raised a hand. Would you like to tell something? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is it audible? Is it audible, sir? My voice?
No, your voice is Anusha. Oh, Anusha. It
Yes,
is
sir.
Anusha.
Yes, sir.
I mistook
Yes,
as
sir.
Ashrita. Anusha, now your
No,
voice
sir.
is audible. Kindly wait. I will talk to Mr. Sri Krishna. Let him complete.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
After which you can
Okay.
talk. Sri Krishna.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sri Krishna, you are a mridangam player.
Yes, sir.
How did you get time for preparing for this when you are studying for graduation and post-graduation? And you said you have participated in some concerts also, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Good. And are you practicing nowadays also at least for half an hour or 1 hour?
Yes, sir. Daily, I am finding myself time in practicing, because if we do
Very
not
good.
practice that,
That's good.
everything comes in practice, right?
Yeah, you have to do only out of practice. If you
even we are preparing for bank exams also. You always say that through practice only we can clear the exams, right?
Exactly. Practice makes a man perfect. Very good. So you are correct. Yeah.
Even though I am busy, I usually find time half an hour and practice itself.
Yeah. Sri Krishna, you are talking through your cell phone or through your laptop?
Yes, sir. I am using through cell phone, sir. Cell phone.
Oh, acha. It is showing that Krishna's network bandwidth is low. So if possible, you come out to the outside also. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Now I will
Okay,
talk.
okay.
I will talk to Anusha. Anusha, can you
Yes, sir.
please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I am
Evening.
Anusha. Myself, V. Anusha. I am from Nizamabad, Telangana state, sir. I completed my post-graduation in JNTH University in the year of 2016. And after that, I completed my graduation in Vardhaman College of University in Hyderabad, where I completed in the year of 2014. Then I did my Polytechnic, sir, diploma of 3 years engineering course in electronics communication engineering. Later, I did my schooling in my hometown, that is of Telangana state, in Nizamabad. And my hobbies are like tennis, sir. Tennis, playing tennis is one of my hobby, and meditation and yoga exercise is one of my hobbies, sir.
Acha, you believe in yoga and meditation
Yes,
and
sir.
all.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good.
Because
What is
like
the
past 15 to 10 years, I was doing my yoga, sir, because it is a main motivation from my father, sir.
Acha, good. What is your father?
So my father is one of the private employee. We have a self-employed business, sir.
Very good.
He is.
What is the degree you said? I couldn't hear it properly. What is
Sir,
the
I
degree?
have done my BTech Electronics Communication Engineering in JNTH University, sir, in
Electronics
Hyderabad.
communication.
Yes, sir.
Electronics communication
ECE.
engineering. Good, good,
Yes,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
What? Yeah, very nice.
Then I have my 1 year of experience, sir. After completing my post graduation, I have did my 1 year of internship training program, sir,
Sir, what is
as
that
a
leadership?
lectureship.
Like,
Sir, has a
what is
internship of lectureship, sir.
what is that? What is that
Sir, has a
program?
lectureship, sir. As a
Lecturership.
lectureship of
Acha, talk
yes, sir,
lecturership.
lectureship.
Very good.
In yes.
How were the students? Were they listening properly, or were they
Yes, sir.
giving?
It was yes, sir. Everybody were well. They have. I have a good feedback from them
Acha,
because the way I teach, they can understand my proficiency and
very
the
good.
knowledge. So
Yeah.
everything was quite nice, sir.
So you enjoy teaching?
Yes, sir. I enjoy teaching, but after that, I was not satisfied with the job, and so I decided that I want a permanent job. So where I have employed, that is a like temporary, sir. So I was
Acha.
not satisfied
It
with
was only
my.
temporary and not so you
Yes,
wanted to
sir,
get to a permanent job.
like a
That's why
permanent
you.
job. So
Yeah,
I decided that banking is one of the field that where I can settle in a permanent job. So I
excellent.
decided that I was studied for one from the past 1 year. I was preparing for the bank exam, sir.
Good, good. Right.
I
Thank
have
you.
given.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You tell me, you have given some other government bank
No,
exams?
no, sir. No for the bank exam, but I was a NCC holder, so I have given 2 to 3 SSB interviews, sir. I think you know well
Yeah,
that
yeah.
about the
Service.
Service Selection Board interview for the
Yeah,
Army and Navy Air Force.
good.
So I
That
was
means
tried
you
for
must,
there also.
yeah, you must have very good physique and then be able to manage people. Very good. Excellent. Supposing,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
supposing somebody
Yes,
come, you are in a bank counter,
yes, sir.
somebody comes with a gun and threatens you, what are you going to do?
So
I know it's
I
a
can.
difficult, I know it's a difficult question.
Yes, sir.
We will come to
Suddenly.
it later. We will come to it
Yes, sir.
later.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sure,
Now,
sure,
how about others?
sure, sir.
Anybody
Thank you.
else would like to introduce himself or herself? Vivek Sinha. Would you like? Vivek Sinha has not switched on the mic. Vivek Sinha,
Yes,
would
sir.
you like to?
I switched on my.
Vivek Sinha, can you please introduce
Hello.
yourself? Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Vivek Sinha. I have done MBA in finance in the year 2016, and before that, I have done BMS in finance in the year 2013. And after completing my MBA in finance, I've joined ICICI Bank, and I worked
Acha.
3 years in ICICI Bank as a
You
privileged
are
banker in
working in
branch banking.
ICICI. Are you working in ICICI now?
Uh, no, I left in June, and
Acha.
currently I am working for a vendor for Barclays Bank into payment ops as a team leader
Oh,
into back
excellent,
office.
excellent, excellent. Very good. Barclays Bank. I understand
Yes.
Barclays Bank has a system of allowing people to work from home, especially.
Yeah, I'm working from home.
Acha, they have a, you said some payment vendor. What is that? I couldn't follow.
Payment operation.
Can you please elaborate? Because I have worked in a commercial bank, a public sector bank, but then
Like Barclays Bank has 10 to 12 branches, whereas banks are commercial. Like they don't operate in retail branch, they have a commercial line. So we do
yeah.
payment ops. Like all 12 branches, we are the back office of payment, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS that we manage,
Oh, where do you stay now?
checking all. I stay in Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
I stay in
You are in
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Very good. Very good. I think
Yes, sir.
um, the broadband speed is not adequate, or rather, it's getting reduced. Thank you.
Yes,
Very nice.
yes,
So,
yes.
what are your strengths,
And
Vivek? What are your strengths?
I'm quite good with the numbers because I like maths also. In part time, I'm teaching maths from last 4 to 5 years, like
Acha,
on weekends.
very good.
So
You teach
there are
people.
3 4 classes. Yeah. There are my 2 3 friends have classes, so I teach from 11th up to BCom, FY
Oh,
BCom maths.
excellent, excellent.
So last
That's
after completing my MBA, I'm teaching. So it has been 4 to 5 years. So
very
this is
good.
my hobby. So side by side, I teach,
You
and I've
teach.
cleared my UGC NET exam also in management,
Good. What
just
is management?
2020.
What is management?
What is management?
Yeah.
Management is managing people like your subordinates and guiding them to work in an effective manner.
Mhm. Good. What are the qualities required in a leader?
First, he should understand his subordinates,
Hmm.
and he, he should create a work environment where their subordinates don't feel hesitated toward any opinion. Like what we have generally, subordinates just do their work and they don't give any suggestions if there is an error. They
Yeah.
just work.
Yeah.
So there should be an open environment, and sometimes a manager have to be strict also. Like they can't be always friendly to get work done.
Yeah. Vivek Sinha, you are already working in Barclays Bank. I think you may be getting more or less similar salary or slightly lesser than what
No,
you may be.
I'm not. I'm working in Barclays Bank, but I'm not in the bank payroll.
Acha, you are not in bank's payroll. You are with a
Yeah, and
franchisee.
yes, and I'm
Public.
appearing for government exams also, other exams also.
Good. Thank you.
Current,
Thank you so
yeah.
much. Good, good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll come to you later. Yeah. Now, Ragul Arya, would you like to introduce yourself, Ragul Arya? Ragul Arya. Ragul Arya is not appearing for any interview, but still, would you like to introduce? Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Ragul, please introduce yourself.
So my name is Rahul Kumar Arya.
Yeah.
I live in Ranchi. I completed BTech in 2015 from Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra. I had done BTech in Electronics and Communication, and right now I am preparing for banking and SSC, means any other government job, sir.
Government jobs also you are preparing. Good. Very good. Now, Sai Ram is there. Sai Ram, you have not talked so far. Sai Ram, would you like to tell about yourself? Sai Ram, or yeah. Sai Ram, yeah. Sai Ram, are you there online?
Yes, sir, I am there, sir.
Yeah. Please tell about yourself briefly.
Good evening, sir. My name is Saira. I am from Visakhapatnam, state of Andhra Pradesh, and I have completed my graduation in BTech, Electrical and Electronics Engineering in the year 2015. Then I pursued my MBA in the specialization of finance, and I have passed out in 2018. And I have experience of 1 year, 6 months in ICICI Bank.
Oh.
And
Good, good.
and presently preparing for government bank exam like IBPS and SBI.
Excellent. That's really nice. Now I'll come one by one. We will go to another person. To start with, shall I start with Ashrita? Ashrita,
Yes, sir.
Ashrita, can you please tell me what are the functions of a Reserve Bank of India?
Yes, sir. The Reserve Bank is main central bank of India, established in 1935, sir. The main functions of RBI is it issues currency notes. It acts as bankers to bank, banker to government, controller of credit, custodian of foreign exchange, foreign reserves, and other functions, sir.
I'm sorry, because you said issuing of currency, then?
Bankers to bank, sir.
Okay.
Banker to the government.
Good. Then?
Controller of credit.
Good.
Custodian of foreign reserves.
Yeah. Monetary policy.
These are
or
the
controller
functions.
of credit. Yeah. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. These are the functions of a Reserve Bank of India. So, can you tell me something about DICGC? What is DICGC?
DICGC is an insurance regulatory body which provides insurance, which facilitates insurance policies, and it regulates the insurance policy rates also, sir. The all insurance companies come under DICGC.
Ashita, out of tension, you are telling wrongly. Can you tell me what is DICGC? You are telling wrongly. You are confusing for some other organization. You are telling IRDAI, whereas I am asking DICGC.
Yes, sir. DICGC is a Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, sir.
Yeah.
Which is wholly subsidiary of RBI, and which provides a deposit insurance for banking facilities, sir. Before it was up to 1 lakh. Now the insurance on deposits is up to 5 lakh.
This is the point I want. Yeah, initially you confused yourself for
Yes,
IRDAI. Can you tell me where is IRDAI's headquarters?
IRDAI headquarters is in Hyderabad.
It's in Hyderabad. That's right. Good, good. Very nice. That's right. I'll come to you again after talking to our Radhika. You know, this is one advantage, unlike the real interview, where you have to talk at a stretch. Whereas in a Zoom, you can talk for each question separately. I hope you don't mind. You don't mind waiting.
No, sir. It's okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we will go to where is? Yeah. Where is Jaspreet Singh? Radhika is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Radhika ji, good, good, good. Can you tell me the functions of commercial banks briefly?
So commercial banks, these are the banks which are included in the second schedule of the RBI Act 1935.
Yeah.
The functions are to accept deposits from the customers, and it grants the loans and advances. And the agency functions such as collection of checks, payment of rents and premiums, and some other value-added services like credit and debit card facilities, e-banking facilities, and ATM facilities, etc.
Good. Can you tell me some of the ancillary functions of commercial banks?
So, ancillary functions are these functions.
What are they?
These.
Some of the main ancillary functions like lockers, bank assurance. Is it not?
Lockers. Yes.
Bank assurance, and also other services like collection of checks, um, and, and then issuing of travelers checks, issuing of credit cards and other things. Okay.
Safe locals, yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right. Now, what do you are joining? You want to join Karnataka Bank Limited, and it is Karnataka only. Hubli, how many Karnataka Bank Limited branches are there? Any idea?
No, sir, but I see there are many branches in Hubli, but I'm not sure about the numbers, sir.
Okay, you are not sure about the number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many total number of branches of Karnataka Bank are there totally?
So all over India, around 850 branches are there in
Yeah.
22 states, including 22 states and 1 union territory.
Very good. Thank you. Now one new person has come, Gauri Kulkarni. Anusha is there also. Anusha, would you like to talk now? Anusha, please answer some questions like say, have you read about priority sector? Can you tell me some points about priority sector? Anusha, are you there online? Anusha? Anusha ji, I think voice is not coming. Upgrade to go. I think the time is over, it seems. I'm sorry. It's supposed to be only for 40 minutes or so. The time is over, it seems. Okay. Meeting time 8:40. Yeah. Hello, Anusha. Anusha is not there. Yeah. Gauri Kulkarni, are you there? Are you able to listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Gauri, hello. Gauri Kulkarni, you are from which place?
Sir, I'm from Belgaum, Karnataka. Belgavi now.
Belgaum. Acha, please tell us about yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm Miss Gauri Kulkarni. I'm from Belgavi. I have completed my BCom in 2014 and MCom in 2016 from Gokti College of Commerce. And the main subjects that I learned were economics, marketing management, principles of management, accountings, and strategy of planning and all, etc. And my hobbies are singing. I have learned Hindustani music for around 4 to 5 years in my school days, and I also like gardening, and I also like to help elderly people. I visit NGOs and other anath ashrams and all. I like to help such people, and I also practice yoga and pranayam from Art of Living.
Oh,
And
very good.
my father, yeah,
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
My father is a retired professor, and my mother works in Karnataka Bank itself.
Oh, good.
And
She's working in
yeah.
Karnataka Bank. Very nice. As what?
Yes, sir. She works as a clerk.
Acha, good. What is she telling about Karnataka Bank? Is she very happy?
Yeah, she's very happy. But for the PO post, she's not much happy because there are transfers and she says ladies cannot handle and all that. But then my father and me are like, no, we will do it. It's not possible.
So what are the problems involved in officer posting?
She says more of responsibilities and we'll have to wait for a longer time, like wait for everyone to complete all their work and then go, and then handling home will be a little
So you are prepared to take up,
difficult. But then
you are prepared to put up with that?
Yes, I am very much prepared.
Acha. You have put in your profile some picture. What is that? Is that a musical instrument? No.
No, sir.
No, is
That's
it
a high chair.
Is a laboratory or what? Excuse
No, it's a restaurant, sir.
Oh, it's a restaurant. हमने सोचा that it is a
Yeah.
musical instrument and all. कोई बात नहीं. Acha, what are your strengths? Gauri Kulkarni, what are your strengths and why should
yes,
we
sir.
select you?
So I'm very honest and dedicated and hardworking as well. And I also believe in positive thoughts, and I'm an optimistic person.
Excellent. So good. Will you be attending this program of Guruji on 24 to 26 on Muruga. But of course, you can't follow Tamil, is it not? You cannot follow Tamil, correct? Hello, sound is not coming. Yeah.
No,
Hello.
sir, I cannot follow Tamil. I can speak Kannada and Marathi
Yeah.
and Hindi and English as well.
Yeah. Will you seek the recommendation from your mummy for getting this job, or will you try of your own?
Actually, I asked my mom, but then she said that recommendation and everything won't work here, and I do not like to go with that trend.
Very
I
good.
would like to want my own hard work and my
You want to
I
try
hope
of your own.
yeah, right.
Excellent. You told nicely. Now,
Thank you.
how would you like to be? Supposing you are employed in Karnataka Bank, how do you imagine
sir.
yourself in 10 years from now?
I actually do not know the posts what I would get after 10 years, but then as per my hard work and promotion, wherever I would reach, I would work honestly, and wherever I would reach, I would
Or for this question where you do not know the level of this and all, you can simply say by that time I would have got 1 or 2 promotions and I'll be
okay,
in a
sir.
senior position. Could you understand?
Okay, sir.
Generally, you
Yes,
can manage it. Good, Gauri
Yes, sir.
Kulkarni, you told nicely. I think we have only
Thank
3
you, sir.
minutes before us. It seems as per this Zoom program, they give only for 40 minutes. I did not keep
Okay.
this in mind. Doesn't matter. So good, you talk nicely, Gauri Kulkarni, because after this, I will have to go for that evening class on quantitative aptitude today in our YouTube. Thank you. We'll meet again. We will discuss further also. Sometimes if necessary, I will come one-to-one so that each individual will have about 20-30 minutes time. That will be better. Now that this becomes easy for us to communicate, that will be suitable. Thank you. Thank you so much, Gauri Kulkarni.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else would like to ask some questions? We have only 2 minutes before us. We have 2 minutes before us. Any questions from anybody? Otherwise, next Zoom meetings will be one-to-one, where I can ask more questions. Sri Krishna, any questions?
No, sir. No.
Good. What about others? Anusha, you have any questions?
Sir, now it's audible, sir.
Now
Hello?
it is less audible, but okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So whatever you have conducted now, it was very quiet. We all are so happy, sir.
Thank you.
So
next time, you must be
thank
able
you.
to take it up singly.
Okay, sir. We are ready
because
to.
We will have more time.
Yes, sir. This is the best solution.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
because
much.
when I talk over telephone, the voice is not properly recorded. That is the reason.
This is the main problem, sir. That's fine. Okay, sir.
Very good. Ashrita, you have any
Thank you, sir.
questions?
Thank you.
1 minute time is there.
No, sir. Actually, this type of mock interview will be very helpful, sir. And from the next time, we'll give individually, sir, which will help us in facing the nervousness and give a best in our main interviews.
Excellent. Good. This you communicated very nicely, Ashrita. Very nice. What about others? Jaspreet Singh, are you there?
So I'm Gauri. I want to ask something.
Yeah, welcome. We have only 1 minute. Otherwise, you have to come
sir.
to YouTube and ask. Yeah.
Okay, so I was asking, can we do this daily? Like we can choose a topic and then everybody can discuss on the topic and we can make notes on that, and so that it will be helpful for us for the interview.
Yeah, no, now I find I have to find out another way wherein we can talk for more. Possibly Geo Meet may be helpful for us, where we can talk for longer, more time, Anyhow, that way we will think about it. We will do something. Otherwise, individually, each individual, we will talk for about 30-40 minutes. That is more than sufficient.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. I'll have to close this on account of Zoom's regulations. we will meet again one-to-one. Thank you. All of you
Thank
did
you,
very
Thank
well.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes.